Hello, this is davidji, and welcome to this week's Life Tools. This week we've been exploring energy, the concept of energy. According to the sciences of geology, oceanography, physics, chemistry, there's the exact same amount of water on Earth right now as the moment Earth was founded. Imagine that. From the creation of the planet to this moment, the exact same amount of water. And that's because water's in constant dynamic exchange. The oceans raise up, turn into storm clouds. We ingest that energy, we ingest that water. Every sentient being on the planet, every leaf, every blade of grass, every tree, every mound of dirt, all filled with a certain amount of water, constantly energetically exchanging, whether it's a tsunami, a tornado, a hurricane. All that same water moving in that dynamic exchange. And it's the same for energy. Science says that every single piece of energy, micron of energy on the planet right now is exactly the same amount of energy that has always existed. Energy cannot be created nor destroyed. And so we have the power in every single moment as we bring in energy to transmute it. We're not going to destroy it or create it, but we can transmute it, we can metabolize it, we can digest it, we can absorb what nourishes us and let go of what no longer serves us. We can be conduits of divine energy. As we move through the day, realize that all of our conversations, all of our interactions, all of our transactions are moments of energetic exchange. So when you ask the question, what am I holding on to that no longer serves me? You can let go of that energy. Pass it right back out into the universe. There's this beautiful ancient practice known as Tonglen. It's a meditation that's an energy exchange. And we can practice it right now. So let's take a long, slow, deep breath in of the divine healing love of the universe. Feel it fill you and feel it ripple through every cell in your body. And as we exhale, let's radiate it out to anyone we know who's suffering, who's struggling, who's in pain. Let's do that again. Energy exchange. Bring that divine healing love. Feel it fill your heart and send it out to those who are struggling or suffering or in pain. Let's do it one more time. Long, slow, deep of that healing, divine energy of the universe. And send it back out to those who could benefit from your healing love. Throughout the day, we can practice Tonglen. We can be aware that in every moment, we are simply conduits, breathing in energy, absorbing energy, digesting it, essentially holding onto what nourishes us and letting go of what no longer serves us. We're conduits of energy. So let's practice that this week. From the sweet spot of the universe, this is davidji. I'll see you in the gap. Namaste.